All right, London Open. Let's do some levels first. Let's see what we have on our 20 tick. It's been a while that I've been looking at the market, and a little bit of a break. And let's have a look what the market is doing. These are some old levels. I'm just gonna remove them, redraw some new ones. All right, so let's see. Just start with some extended rectangles. Let's see what the market is doing. It's currently at the S2. I can see on my other screen. Let's see what this bottom is telling us. Wait, what am I looking at actually? So this seems we're pretty strong. Maybe to the upside a bit, something like this. Alright, then we have a level at the top here. Is this still a thing? Seems like it, huh? Do it like so. Then, of course, we have something at the bottom. Does it connect to anything? Nah, not too convinced. I like this one better. Alright, so the market is pushing up here. And the reason that I keep these out at the bottom is because this level over here is more recent and connects to this area as well. So I don't mind if this is below the level for a bit. So these are the major levels. Then we have, let's see, is this something in between? This might be an interesting one here. This is a pretty solid level as well. Yeah, it's more like a medium level. Let's see. The extensions are pretty far out here. Let's do the top at least over there. It's a bit messy, huh? Make this resistance. It kind of gaps, and the gap is expected to be filled at one time, maybe the end of the week. This is some resistance as well. And this remains support then. Okay. Well, let's move over to our 10 tick here. It's the 5 tick. Let's see what we created so far. So this is quite a large zone over here. Let's see if we can make it a tiny bit smaller. Alright, I want to see this a bit more down over here. Perfect double bottom, by the way. Boonk. Alright. This red level seems to be in the middle of nowhere on the 10 tick, huh? Let's see what we have. Maybe it should connect with the S1 more today. Let's see. And this would be a perfect short when the market comes back to it over here. And let's see this top. I think I still prefer this top over this one over here. This is also the point of control on the volume profile. So we're exactly in that. It's also the pivot point. So maybe this is a little bit lower from this one. It's a bit messy, huh? It's a bit rangy. Not that much trending. It's just there's an impulse here, of course. We see that, and this is it could be intermediate level, but it's so close to all the others. So when we look for a short, we could expect it to become pushed to up here, and then maybe go down. That could be an interesting move. Other than that, look, the R1 and the R2, they're really close to each other, huh? Okay, what do we do with the S? We still remain, we hold this level, it connects here, which is what we want to see. We just respect the S2 as a level. We expect this as a level. But I think the first strong movement could be this one here. See if it moves up, and then let's see if it holds, and then it could be a short opportunity. Okay, I think this is about it. I'm not too sure if there's authentic much to change. I'm confused why my levels aren't here. Example on the S1. Maybe because they come from the other chart. Let's see if I can add number 15 to it. Maybe should be better. There you go. Alright. Well, this looks funny, huh? This looks in the middle of nowhere. That's funny. But it really isn't. It's an important level. Look, it comes from this part. So that's why we use an overview before we actually join or look at the 5 tick. Alright, I think we're good for now. The more obvious trade will be this one over here. See if it holds and then take a short. Because the recent trend, more or less, is down. But then again, it's also ranging, right? The 4400, this level, still pretty strong. So, yeah. I think we'll leave it at this and see what the market does.